Okay, so remember that nice place that Greg and I were at a couple of minutes ago? It's raining a lot. There's the night heron. So he just kicked the duck off. That's his log apparently. Oh, zoomed in on baby's face. Alright, well, to the shelter we go.